What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at one of those upgrades that isn't flashy. It's not going to make you more horsepower, and to be honest, you probably won't notice it after you get it installed, but it could end up protecting one of the most important components on your S58, and that part is the BMW Calibration G8X fuel filter kit. So what exactly does this do? BMW's factory fuel system already has filtration, but once you start modifying these cars, especially if you're running blends like E50 or E85, making more power or simply putting on more miles, adding another layer of filtration before the high pressure fuel pump or the injectors is just good insurance. It doesn't take much contamination to affect spray patterns or fuel delivery. And replacing injectors on this car is not cheap, so protecting them makes a lot of sense, especially if you plan on keeping the car for a long time. Think of this as adding another layer of protection to prevent a problem rather than fixing the problem after it's already occurred. I've gone ahead and already opened the box. Inside the box, you will receive some instructions to show you exactly what to do. You're going to next find some OEM style quick connect fuel lines. And then you have the injector fuel filter along with the mounting bracket and everything needed for the installation. Now, this is not a complex installation by any means, but working with the fueling system, you want to make sure you take the car to a shop that is prepared to handle such an installation. They need to have the proper tools, the proper experience. So I'm taking my car to Dynamic Performance. So let's go and head there. All right, we got Chad here. Chad, how you doing, man?
What's up, guys?
So take us through this a little bit. What are we getting installed today, and why should someone go ahead and get this installed on their tuned vehicle or just their vehicle in general?
Sure, so BMW Calibration, their fuel filter for the G80, probably all of the S58 platforms, I would assume, probably B58 as well. Check out BMW Calibration. Their fitment is fantastic. This is the first one that we've done. This product just came out recently. It's got a nice plate, filter element, and it's labeled correctly. There's a QR code with instructions on it, so it's really easy to get in the car. So that was great. As far as why you should have this done, very, very important. So the factory fuel pump has a fuel filter element on the bottom of it. Really just picks up all of the big material on the bottom of the fuel tank, but all those fine little tiny pieces will circulate through the fuel system, come up through the rail, into your high pressure fuel pump, and then into the injectors. If you look inside a DI injector, there's very, very, very fine pathways for fuel to flow, and it's going to clog up your injectors. When you have a clogged injector, whether it's DI or PI, on your fuel system, that could lead to premature failure of those DI injectors. Lean conditions, lean means hot, hot means you're melting cylinders and so forth. So get a fuel filter and get it done right.
I want to give a huge thank you to Chad for taking the time to walk us through exactly why this kit is so beneficial. Having someone who truly understands the S58 fuel system explain the engineering behind it adds so much value, and I really appreciate him sharing that knowledge with us. I came here because all the high power bills that he has documented online and all the referrals you guys have given me for this shop, and he did not disappoint.
Feels great. Yeah, it feels really good. Yeah, it feels great. Custom tune with Ben?
Yep.
Okay, so custom tune, you're on E85?
I run E55. So I run my, between E50 to E60 is a sweet spot. I just do E55.
Are you on MHD?
Yes.
Oh.
Nice. How is it?
Smooth. It feels crisp.
And the power band keeps going the whole way. When I'm on the highway, I don't, it's so amazing, bro.
So there you have it, guys. You heard from Chad himself. Overall, I think BMW Calibration did a great job with this kit. Quality components, an OEM style fit and finish, a serviceable filter, and no permanent modification. If you're building your G8X the right way, this is one of those upgrades that's definitely worth considering. If you have any questions about the kit, leave them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them for you. If you're interested in picking up a Ben Calibration fuel filtration kit, you could pick one up from my store, automasscollective.com. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.